Let us take a look at this Zippo Scrimshaw model of the boat and lighthouse in its cream colored ultralight panels. This casing, produced in August of 1995. However, the insert unfortunately is not a match. Reason being this lighter is an overrun new old stock. Otherwise, this unit looks to be in great shape and conditions. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do give it a thumbs up. Do drop your comments, feedback, questions, or suggestions. Let's have a healthy discussion. As of now, everyone, hope you all do stay safe and have a great one.